Hello. Today we want to continue from where we stopped from the last video. The last video I talked about homonyms in Igbo. The homonyms are words that have the same pronunciation, same spelling, but have different meaning. Though to some extent there is a bit of rising and falling in the intonation of the Igbo language. However, it's basically the same. If you're not careful, you might not even know that there's a bit different in rising and falling of the tune. Okay, so what the first one I want to talk about is ude. Ude is cream in Igbo. Ude, cream. And ude, sigh. On our ude. The next one is ebe. Ebe, actually. Ebe is beetle. And ebe, place. Ebe, place. And the next one I want to look at is aja. Aja. Aja is sand. Sand. And aja is sacrifice. Aja, sacrifice. Spelled the same way. And the next one is obi. Obi is actually a traditional head. Here of Obi of Onitsha, a traditional head or a traditional place. Maybe in the community, you have a particular place where all the Homonyms meet as Obi. Then we have Obi, my heart. And that's why some married couples call either Obi, my heart, to show love. To show Ifunanya. Ifunanya is love. Alright. The last one I want us to look at is marketplace. We have 4 marketplaces in Igbo. 4 marketplaces. Eke, Orio, Afo, Nkwo. So Afo is a market day. Why Afo is belly. So Afo, Afo. I'll go over it again. The first one's ude, sai, ude, cream, ebe, beetle, ebe, place, aja, sand, aja, sacrifice, obi, traditional head, obi, heart, afo, belly, afo, market day. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.